Korean Ssaem. Easy, real Korean. 여러분 안녕, 한국어 쌤이에요. Hi guys, I'm Korean Ssaem. How are you feeling today? Do you feel good, bored, tired, or just so-so? Today, I will show you some of the most common everyday feelings in Korean. Try listening to this video whenever you have time, learn the words, and use them in real conversations with Koreans. For each word, I will show you 3 forms. The basic dictionary form, the casual form used with close friends, and the polite yo form, which is used with elders or in polite situations. Please choose the right form depending on the situation and the person you are talking to. Okay, let's start with the first word. The first word is 좋다. What do you think it means? In English, this means feel good or be good. 좋다 is the dictionary form. You usually see this form in books or dictionaries. But in real life, with close friends, we say 좋아, 좋아. In polite situations, we say 좋아요, 좋아요. For example, A says 오늘 기분 어때요? And B can say 좋아요, 좋아요. This means, how are you feeling today? And I'm good. This is a very common word in everyday Korean. Okay, let's move on to the next word. The next word is 괜찮다, 괜찮다. What do you think this means? In English, this means okay or fine. 괜찮다 is the dictionary form. You usually see this form in dictionaries or books. In real life, with close friends, we say 괜찮아, but in polite situations, we say 괜찮아요. This is a very useful word in Korean. You can use it for your feelings, your condition, or a situation. For example, A says 괜찮아요? And B can say 괜찮아요. This means, are you okay? And I'm okay. Okay, now let's try a different kind of feeling. Not good, not bad. This word is 그저 그렇다. This word is a little interesting. It's not a strong feeling. In English, we say so-so or not great, not terrible. You won't usually say the dictionary form in daily conversation. With close friends, Koreans often say 그저 그래, 그저 그래. In polite situations, we say 그저 그래요, 그저 그래요. People often use this word when they don't want to say much. For example, A asks, 요즘 어때요? And B answers, 그저 그래요. This means, how's everything these days? And so-so. Now, let's talk about a very common feeling. You feel this when you have nothing to do. This word is 심심하다. This feeling is very easy to understand. In English, it means bored. You feel this way when you have free time and nothing interesting to do. In daily conversations, Koreans usually say 심심해. In polite situations, we say 심심해요. Now let's move on to our last word for today. This word is 힘들다. This word is very common in Korean. In English, it can mean tired, exhausted, or having a hard time. Koreans use this word not only for physical tiredness, but also for mental or emotional situations. In daily conversations with close friends, people usually say 힘들어. In polite situations, we say 힘들어요. You will hear this word a lot in everyday Korean conversations. Okay, now let's quickly review the 5 words we learned today. First, 좋다, 좋아, 좋아요. Used to say you feel good. Second, 괜찮다, 괜찮아, 괜찮아요. Used to say you are fine or okay. Third, 그저 그렇다, 그저 그래, 그저 그래요. Used when things are just so-so. Fourth, 심심하다, 심심해, 심심해요. Used to say you are bored. And finally, 힘들다, 힘들어, 힘들어요. Used to say you are tired or having a hard time. Okay, let me show you how Koreans actually use these words in real conversation. Situation 1. 요즘 어때? 좋아. 넌 괜찮아? 응, 괜찮아. 근데 좀 심심해. Situation 2. 요즘 어때? 잘 지내? 사실 그저 그래. 그저 그래? 응, 사실 좀 힘들어. Alright, that's it for today. Keep watching and listening, and these Korean feeling words will start to feel natural to you. In the next lesson, we will learn more real Korean expressions about feelings and emotions. I will see you in the next lesson. 다음에 봐요. 감사합니다. One more thing before we finish. I've left a free PDF worksheet below for you. Practice, make it yours, and keep improving your Korean. This is Korean Sam. See you next time.